A while ago, I learned how to solve a 4x4, one layer at a time. Well, today I'm going to step it up and see how long it takes me to solve a 5x5 layer by layer. So, let's get right into it. Alright then, the first layer shouldn't be too difficult. All we have to do is just make a center, and then we need to just do make the four edges, and then we just have to insert the corner. So there's the center, white center. Now we can just do the edges, go like this. So there are all the white edges. Now, just have to insert the corners, and our first layer will be finished. There it is, there's our first layer. Right, now we have to do the second layer. So I'd probably start by either doing the centers or the edges. In this case, I'll probably do the edges because I've already got one solved. And we can just make the edges by just using the beginner method. So we can do this edge, doing this, like that, like this. I think I can do this one now. And that's it. There are all the edges. Now we can do the centers, and I'd probably just use commutators for this one. So I can solve this piece like this with the commutators, and now we've got the blue finished. Now we can do probably the green. So move it so you can put it in, and then just give a commutator and just put it back. Okay, so here we can probably, so we've already done blue, but we've only got blue here. We can just take a piece out and then just do that. So there's the red center. Now we can do probably orange. Right, so now we can finish orange. We can do green. Last one. There we go. Now the first two layers. Now we should just align the center pieces and see how much we've got everything solved. So we've already got a blue center here, so you might as well just finish this. Now we can do the green. The other green. And the orange. The reds. Now once we've done all the centers, now we can move on to the edges. And we can probably solve this by doing something like this. Probably like the beginner's alg, but just put both of these down to match it. Insert it and then just adjust this back. I think there's probably a more efficient way to do this. This is just how it works best for me. There we go. That's our first 3 layers done. Now, let's see. Okay, so if we just leave it like this, we'll have loads of centers solved. So we can probably just do blue. So there's blue done. I'm doing all of this with commutators, by the way. That's just how it works well for me. And now we've done all the centers, so now we've got to do the edges. Thankfully, we've already got 2 solved, so we can do this one. And I'm literally doing the exact same thing, but now I'm putting 3 layers down, and then just adjusting the last 2. So this final one, like this. Boom. And that's our 4 layers done. But now, for the hard part, we need to do the last 4 edges before we finish the last layer. So for this, I'm going to have to get some algorithms from the internet, probably. as this is quite a hard process. There's one. I've got the yellow and orange. Next we can probably, it's a bit tricky this one, we can probably just get these two paired up. There we go, these two are paired up. We can pair these two up, probably. How best can we do this? Bit tricky this one. I could just put this one in like this, do the alg, and then put this back. So the alg for this one would be, I think I can just rotate this like that. Yep. You two, and then just, it does break a bit up, so we might have to just quickly fix this. Okay, so that's the yellow and red done. And now we got the last two. And we can probably finish this like this. There we go. I'm going to just have to fix this real quick. And there are all the yellow edges finished. So now we just finish this like we would normally in 3x3 with OLL and PLL. There it is. Okay, thank you for watching this challenge of solving the 5x5 Rubik's Cube one layer at a time. Let me know any other challenges you'd like to see, and I'll see you all next time.